Hi everyone, good morning. We're here in Baguio and we're currently having our routine walk and maybe run later. So say hi Daddy. We're wearing the same jacket right now. Oh, twinning ka kami ni Daddy.
Kata ito.
What? Ayoko. Dito bandaan.
Ayun. Doon tayo ba?
So akit daw kami dito. Oh my God. How do I... So, ayan po yung nilalakad namin. Ayan yung nilalakad namin. Oh my God. Ang taas nito.
Dapat tinitingin po sa tuwag.
Daddy, stay there and then we take photo of me here on top. So, magpapapicture ako dito sa taas.